In this video, we will discuss about Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fee on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The Binance exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of January 2018, facilitating more than 1.0 million transactions per second. Users of Binance Coin receive a discount in transaction fees on the Binance exchange as an incentive. BNB can also be exchange of trade of the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Binance Coin was created in July 2017 and initially worked on the Ethereum blockchain with the token ERC20 before it became the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance chain. Use of Binance Coin. The first one is that trading. Binance Coin can be traded for the cryptocurrencies on various exchanges depending on the restrictions set by the exchangers. And the second one is transaction fees on the Binance exchange. BNB can be used to pay off transactions on the Binance exchange and users also receive a discount for doing so. Credit card payments. BNB can be the form of payment of crypto credit card bills on crypto.com. Payment processing. Merchants can offer BNB as a means of payment for customers, offering and flexibility in the payment methods. Booking travel agreements. BNB can be used to book hotels and flights on selected websites. Entertainment. From paying for virtual gifts to buy lottery tickets, BNB serves purpose in the entertainment space. Investment. Binance platform also investors to invest in stocks, ETFs and other assets using Binance coins. Loans and transfers. Binance can be used as a collateral for loans on certain platforms. Also, there are apps that also users to split bills and pay friends and family through Binance Coin. Initial coin offering. Binance Coin was launched with an initial coins offering in July 2017 as part of the ICO. BNB tokens were distributed among various participants including angel investors and the Binance founding team. Here is a brief breakdown of how Binance token was initially distributed. Founding terms: 40% 80 million BNB. Angel investors 10% 20 million BNB. Public sale 50% 100 million BNB. All of the 100 million BNB tokens available for public sale were sold during the ICO at 15 cents per token. Therefore, Binance raised a total of $15 million in Bitcoin on Ethereum. From the 15 million that was raised, 35% was allocated the upgrading the Binance platform and exchange system. 50% was allocated for Binance branding, marketing and education of new inventors, and the remaining 50% was used as a reserve